Hello everybody. This is how I would like you to both iron your painting flat and use the heat to remove the tape. At the rested position while the iron is not in use, the switch should be all the way down in the off position and the iron should always be sitting on its base. Word of caution, never ever rest the iron this way. This is a fire hazard. Always rest it on its base and do not ever touch the black part. To activate the iron, you want to set this switch all the way up to the cotton setting over here. You might need to wait a few minutes for it to heat up. Make sure your paint is fully dry and the ironing board is clean. To flatten the painting goes face down and you work from the inside out with the hot iron. The paper will heat up. Be careful with touching it too soon after you go at it with the iron. After you've flattened your painting, you want to peel the tape off at each of the corners to get them ready to be removed. We are going to heat the tape, but from the back side. Do not heat from the front side of the painting, please. You run the risk of adding some black scorch marks on your painting, and we don't want that. After you have the tape ready to peel, flip it back to the back side of the painting, and this time iron just the edge of the paper. This will weaken the adhesive by heating it up. You flip the paper over and you want to peel the tape away from the work at about this rate. Very slowly, very methodically. And if you feel the adhesive strengthening because it's cooling off, you want to flip the paper back over, give it another iron for the remainder of that strip. That will get it much easier to peel it off without resistance. Do not pull quickly. The quicker you pull, the more likely it will be that you'll tear the paper. That's how you want to remove the tape. You just repeat that process on all four sides. Once you're done with the iron, make sure that you set the switch all the way back down to off and rest it on its base, ready for the next student to use. Your painting is now ready to submit. If you had your name and period number written on the tape, make sure you write it again on the back side so I know who to give credit to.